Hello friends, this is Professor Dattu Patel. Today's session we learn about curl of a vector point function. Last lecture we learn divergence of a vector point function. First of all, definition of curl. So if vector u of xyz equal to u1 I cap plus u2 j cap plus u3 k cap is a continuously differentiable vector point function in a certain domain D of space, then curl is denoted and defined as curl equal to nabla cross u. Here we can also define vector as del cross u bar as well as u. Both are correct. Then here cross product, then formula is I cap, j cap, k cap, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. Here u1, u2 and u3. Substitute the values of u1, u2 and u3. Then expand the determinant. Then I. Then we get del by del y into u3 minus del by del z into u2, second term which is negative. Then del by del x u3 minus del by del z u1 plus k cap del by del x u2 minus del by del y u1, which is a vector quantity. Next one is physical interpretation of a curl. The curl provides the maximum value of the circulation of the field per unit area. Means we can say that circular density, and indicates the direction along which maximum value occurs. Means the curl of a vector field U at point P may be regarded as a measure of the circulation, how much field occurs to the curl around the point P. Here there are the few diagrams shown in a whiteboard. First diagram indicated by the circulation with circular density, and second one is a curl at point P is 0, means parallel vector fields are parallel. Then we can say that curl F bar equal to 0 when at particular point P we get curl at 0. Here curl at point P out of the page. Next one is irrotational vector field. Irrotational vector field means vector field F bar is said to be irrotational vector field F bar is said to be irrotational if curl F bar equal to 0 at all points of the function. Otherwise it is said to be rotational vector field. A vector field F bar is said to be irrotational if curl f bar equal to 0 at all the points of function, otherwise it is rotational. Another one is if curl f bar equal to 0, then we can say that it is conservative field. Let us understand with examples to better idea of irrotational vector field. Example. First one is find curl f bar at f bar equal to xyz I plus 3y square z j cap 3x square y 3 x square y plus xz square minus y square z x j and k cap at particular point 1 minus 1 and 1. So first to find curl f bar, then formula of curl f bar equal to del cross f bar. Here we write f as well as f bar, that is indicated by the vector, then that is dot product, then I cap, j cap, k cap. Here del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, u1, u2, u3 as well as f1, f2 and f3. Then here x, y, z, 3x square y, and here xz square minus y square z. Now expand this, that I del by del y x z square minus y square z minus del by del z 3x square y, that is our I cap. Another middle term which is negative plus minus plus, then del by del x xz square minus y square z minus del by del z, here xyz, plus third one is k cap, then del by del x 3x square y minus del by del y xyz, then I cap, derivative with respect to y, then 0, with respect to y, then minus 2yz, with respect to z, then 0. Another one is minus j, with respect to x, then z square, with respect to x, then 0, minus with respect to z, then xy, plus k cap, with respect to x, 3 2 are 6, then 6xy, with respect to y, then minus xz. Now that is our curl f bar, but we find at particular position 1 minus 1 1. First value indicated by x, second value indicated by y, third value indicated by z. Now substitute the values of x, y, z in this equation. Then we get curl f bar equal to, first I cap, here minus 2, 1 minus 1 1, then 1 minus 1 1 minus 2, 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 then 1 minus 1 y means minus 1, z means 1, minus j cap, here z square means 1, minus x into y, minus minus plus 1, x into x which is 1, minus 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 plus, then k cap, here 6, x into x1, y minus 1, minus x1, z1, then we get minus minus plus, then 2i minus 2j minus 6 minus 1, then minus 7k, that is the curl Fr. Another example, prove that Fr equal to yzi plus zx j plus xyk is irrotational vector field. Here prove that Fr equal to Fr vector is irrotational. Maybe sometimes here we can say that irrotational as well as conservative field. Then answer must be 0. We find curl Fr and answer must be 0. Then to understand this example, first find curl F bar. Then curl F bar equal to nebula cross F bar, I cap, j cap, k cap, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z. Substitute the values of u1, u2 and u3. Just replace the value at here. Here F bar is irrotational, means answer must be 0. Here no need to given the particular point. Then that value indicated by F1, F2 and F3. Just substitute the value F1 which is yz, zx and xy. I cap, then del y into xy, this term this side which is middle sign is negative, here zx, then minus j, del by del x, xy, del by del z, yz, then k, del by del x, zx, del by del y, yz. Then we get here I cap with respect to y derivation, then x with respect to z derivation, then x minus j cap with respect to x, then y with respect to z, then also y plus k cap, then with respect to x, then z with respect to y, then z, then x minus x 0, so 0i minus 0j plus 0k means equal to 0. Hence prove. Hence F bar is a irrotational vector field. Next counter example is we required this formula in all the examples of this topic. So next example, find constant ABC. Find the values of constant ABC such that f bar equal to x plus y plus az I cap plus dx plus 2y minus z j cap plus minus x plus cy plus 2z k cap is a irrotational or as well as conservative field. Find the constant ABC such that f bar is a irrotational. Already question has shown the vector f bar is a irrotational. Then solution is f bar is a irrotational vector field so curl f bar equal to 0. If it is conservative field, then also curl f bar equal to 0, as well as irrotational field, then also curl f bar equal to 0. Then here curl f bar equal to nebula cross f bar equal to 0. Then substitute the value f1, f2 and f3. Here f1 which is x plus y plus az, f2 which is bx plus 2y minus z, f3 which is minus x plus cy plus 2z equal to 0. Here just expand this, then I del y minus x plus cy plus 2z minus del y del z bx plus 2y minus z. Second term which is negative, so minus j x, just expand the determinants, then minus x plus cy plus 2z minus del y del z x plus y plus az plus k vector del y del x bx plus 2y minus z minus del y del y x plus y plus az equal to 0. Then differentiate this term. Then first I cap with respect to y, then just only c minus with respect to z, then 0, 0 and minus 1, minus j with respect to x, then minus 1, 0, 0 with respect to z, then 0, 0 plus a plus k vector, then with respect to x b 0, 0 with respect to y, then minus 1. Clear? Equal to 0 vector. Means here with respect to x, then c with respect to z, then this minus 1, this minus, minus plus. Here minus with respect to x, then minus 1, 0, 0 with respect to z, then a. But here positive, but this sign is negative, means minus sign. there is a little bit mistake in signs. To be ready for that, here with respect to x, then b, 0, 0. With respect to y, then above sign is negative, and with respect to y, then plus y, then minus equal to 0. Then compare both sides. Means here we can write 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Then equating the both sides with vector. Then c plus 1 equal to 0. Then we get c equal to minus 1. With this minus sign. Then minus common, minus plus. Then a plus 1 equal to 0. Then a equal to, which is also minus 1. And third one is b minus 1 equal to 0. Then b equal to 1. Then value of constant is a equal to minus 1, b equal to 1, and c equal to again minus 1. Next example is prove that f bar equal to 3i plus xj plus yk then curl into curl f bar equal to 0. In this example, we solve curl 2 times, means first find this term, then curl f bar equal to del cross f bar, then we get I cap, j cap, k cap, del by del x, del by del y, del y, del z. Then you f1, f2, f3. f1 which is 3, here x, here y. Just expand the determinant. Then I cap del y into y minus del y del z into x minus j cap, then del y del x into y minus del y del z into 3 plus k cap del y del x into x del y into 3 I del y by del z minus j del y del x del y by del x minus del y del z into 3, correct, plus k. Okay, now I with respect to y, then 1 minus 0 minus j with respect to y 0 constant, then 0 plus k cap with respect to x 1 with respect to y 0, then we get I into 1 minus 0j plus k into 1, means I plus k. That is our curl f bar. Now we find again curl f bar into curl f bar equal to 0. Then we find 2 times curl. Then curl into curl f bar. Curl f bar, then del cross curl f bar. Then substitute this value. Then here coefficient of I cap, that is 1, 0 and 1. Then expand this. Then I, derivative of constant is 0. This is 0. Minus j cap, derivative of constant which is 0. Derivative of constant which is 0. Plus k cap, 0 into anything 0. derivative of constant which is 0, then we get 0 I cap minus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap equal to 0. Hence, here, hence prove curl f bar, curl into curl f bar equal to 0. Everyone clear? Similarly, f bar equal to x z cube I cap minus 2xy j cap plus xz k cap. Find divergence f bar and curl f bar at particular point 1 to 0. Another counter example is f bar equal to, another example is the position vector r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk is irrotational? Justify the answer. This example try to as a homework, as a tutorial. If you have any doubts regarding these topics, then feel free contact me. Thank you so much for listening this video.